Hello students, today we are going to make a project dimming LED using pot, that is potentiometer. The components we'll need for this project are one 10K potentiometer, one male jumper wire, one LED, one battery snapper, one 9V battery and breadboard. Now place the potentiometer on the breadboard. Potentiometer is having three terminals. First terminal is terminal 1, middle terminal is wiper terminal and third terminal is terminal 2. Now we will connect a male jumper wire such that its one end will be connected to the wiper terminal and second end will be connected to the terminal 2 of the potentiometer. Insert the positive terminal of LED, that is anode, next to the jumper wire. Connect the negative terminal of the battery snapper with the negative terminal of LED. Now connect the positive terminal of the battery snapper with the terminal 2 of the potentiometer. We can increase and decrease the intensity of light by rotating the knob of the potentiometer. Here, the variable resistor, that is potentiometer, is working in a series connection with the LED. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Thank you.